Before you buy a home, stop. If you're thinking about buying a home, stop. Never do it alone. Did you know if you don't hire your own agent, you don't have anyone looking out for your best interest? It's very true. If you walk into an open house, call the agent on the sign or click to contact the agent, that agent actually works for the seller. Sure, they can sell you the home, but they are required to look out for the seller. This mistake can cost you thousands of dollars and actually make the seller more money. Hello, I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate, and here's the deal. Most sellers agree to around 6% commission. That is split between a buyer's agent and the seller's agent. If you don't hire an agent, where does that other 3% go? Many times it goes back into the seller's pocket, or the listing agent makes double the commission. So why wouldn't you hire someone to work just for you? It costs you as a buyer nothing. That's right, it costs you absolutely nothing. The seller covers our fees. So let's review. You get somebody to watch out for you, guide you through every step of the transaction, make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, help you find a great lender, be with you for inspections and repairs, go over what costs are customary for the buyer to pay and what is customary for the seller to pay, and explain all contingencies at no cost to you. This is an absolute no-brainer. Call me today and I'll send you a copy of my buyer's guide, which is also free. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate, and I'm moving you in the right direction.